It's Maxwell the sous chef, and he is here with me to make red velvet cookies. Doesn't he look thrilled? We're really missing Calvin though. So first you whisk the flour, the cocoa, the baking soda. Then you beat the butter using your stand mixer. Simple so far. Brown sugar and white sugar. Next it's 1 egg and vanilla. Then we add buttermilk. This recipe is super easy. Then you add the flour cocoa mixture, you mix it all, 2 tablespoons of red food coloring, and then you switch to using the dough hook. You mix that all until it's bright red. Last but not least, side chocolate. Actually, chocolate chips go in. Put the dough in a refrigerator for at least an hour. This is an important step in the recipe process. Line a tray with parchment paper, and then put the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees, baking for at least 11 to 12 minutes. So my sous chef wasn't very helpful. He left me for the couch. I could have used Calvin, but he's not here either. The cookies came out of the oven. I added white chocolate chips while they were still hot, which melted into the cookie and was delicious. This recipe came from Chef Vic Cuisine. I will put the link below. Thank you for a wonderful recipe. So good.